My name's Jeff Knox. I'm an associate at Innospark Ventures. We are an early stage venture capital fund based in Boston. The fund, as some of you seem to know, focuses on applications of data science, AI, and machine learning. The fund works at very early stages, so we do primarily pre-seed and seed investments. That puts us, being people's first institutional check, after their friends and family and whatnot. In many cases, we do some Series A as well, but in all cases, working with very early stage companies. We've been at it for about 5-6 years now, working on that thesis. Really just trying to help support other entrepreneurs who are trying to put AI to work for good.
You folks have been investing in AI companies before the advent of ChatGPT, to my understanding. So just curious, what you've seen over time, has your model changed over time? How has that affected deal flow over time? Can you explain a little bit?
Yeah, of course. And so over the time that the fund's been around, we've really kept the same focus on interesting applications of AI, people using AI for good. I think what we've seen is in the last few years, especially since the advent of ChatGPT and some of the large language models, there's really been a lot more focus on the space. But to our mind, there's been a focus on sort of one part of the space. Our GP with the PhD in AI will be the first to tell you that AI means a whole category of different types of computational intelligence. That large language models and neural networks are not the only way that we program computers to do tasks in the world. And so at Innospark, we're really interested in people who are using the right AI tool for the job, not necessarily the most complex or the most in vogue or the one that's most recently covered in your local paper. And so we take a pretty broad definition of what AI means. We have and we continue to. And so sometimes that does mean we're working with people who have neural networks or have a large language model that's part of their technology stack. But very often there's other layers that the companies that we're working with are building into their offerings that use different types of AI as well, that use symbolic methods or that use other different models that we can go into if it's interesting. But I think that's one of the things that we try to emphasize is that while we are very excited about the rise of LLMs and the potential that they have, there's really a wide world of AI out there, and all of it we find very exciting.